Attention business owners, a quick reminder that Rev Up starts next Thursday, August 19th. What do we know? We know that our business grows to the extent that we grow. And in this 12-week training, we're going to learn about goal setting, accountability, financial management, and time management. We also know that real estate agents or business owners in general that take the time to invest in themselves and their growth are not only more successful, but also more profitable. So, how do you want to end your year? You want to end it on a rev up. So, take the time to invest in yourself, invest in your future, rev up your business, and you can rev up your bank account. Join Rev Up next week, August 19th. Be there.